Legends of Learning presents the Matter Factory game. This is a science game that makes learning about the structure of matter fun and easy to understand.
Let's learn together.
In this informative instructional game, tour a factory with some friends.
For this, we can
In the
see
factory, you will learn more about the structure of matter
carefully.
and its
In liquids,
states.
the particles do not. And as we will see later, liquids do not have their own shape. Their shape adjusts to their container. Let's continue discovering.
Use the mouse to click on different objects, to complete tasks, to learn more about the different states of matter and how they are used in
Here,
different
we can
situations.
see that the particles in solid matter
Perform
left
different
click
tasks
drop them
to
and then
practice
pass them together.
identifying solids, liquids, and gases to learn more about their separate characteristics. Complete all the levels to win the game.
Good. You have managed to understand. Congratulations. You have obtained bodies, objects or things, are made up of a mass. After being weighed and knowing their mass, drag them and order them from greatest to least mass.
Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.
Well done.